name is Mariam, and today we have a special guest, and you can join us on my channel on 2BFF. So here she comes.
Hey guys, I'm Eva.
And she's gonna be joining this video. If she's away, then I don't know.
Like sometimes I might not come, but
Yeah.
sorry.
So today for our new video, or not our, for our video, we are going to be doing a try to guess the slime. So my mom's going to be giving us some slime. Here it is.
And we're trying to guess the color.
Color. And then so my mom's gonna. This is how it's gonna be.
Wait,
So
she's gonna have the same slime
no,
color
Eva.
for us.
So mom's gonna can we give us any type of slime. So we're halving them and halving them, and then we're gonna have this for the base, so it doesn't get stuck to the carpet. Yeah, for the carpet. And yeah, so let's go right into the video. So ready?
And we have to close our eyes.
Ready? Go. I'm scared. So what's the first one?
Wait, she has to half it, remember?
Oh, okay. You'll half it.
That
Sticky.
feels weird. It's cold.
Oh, it's cold.
I think
It's a clear fruit slime.
I think it's the clear slime. The
Which
clear
one?
one.
The clear fruit?
Yeah.
Okay.
Cause
We're right. Even look.
yeah.
Yeah, because
I felt the fruit.
yeah, I feel the fruit like it's a nice texture.
Yeah.
Here you go. Now I'm gonna put it back in the container. It felt really nice and cold.
Yeah.
Pop.
I thought it might be the pumpkin.
Yeah, because
but then I felt some fruit.
fruit. Now the next coming here. Now the next one. Oh my god. Oh, it's the Eva. Look, feel it. It's the bear one.
Can I open it now?
Yeah, you open it. Oh my god, I'm so excited.
Ugh, it's so hard. I opened it.
Let me have some.
Oh,
You smell it.
it's the, what is it called?
It's the green one.
green.
Can you look, Mom?
Yes.
Oh yeah.
I smell
Me
it.
too.
I told you to
I
smell
was
it.
trying to say green as well.
Yeah, I feel like, here, you can pack it away because that last one I prefer it all you.
Your turn to open it.
I'm going, Mom, this is tricky because you have to like feel the texture.
Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, feel it. I know this one. This is the gold
Oh,
one.
this is the gold one.
It's can we look?
Yeah, it's definitely
It's the gold one because this one has a
this
different
one is
texture. It's
sticky,
hard. It's hard.
and it's very sticky.
And
like
yeah.
it's stickier than the others.
But it's really good.
Yeah, it's very good. And
Here it
it's
is.
very easy to
And I
do
made it.
rainbow swirl.
Yeah.
I mean unicorn swirl.
Yeah. So, and I made this one just for fun fact.
Yeah.
Oh, guys, I forgot to say it. Today's question of the day is, what's your favorite animal? So, go comment down below and write it. So, yeah, come on.
Next one.
We got
My
three
turn
done.
to open it.
Well, this is tricky.
I think it's the orange one. I have a feeling.
I have a
I
feeling.
don't know. Okay, here. Cute.
I'm gonna smell it. Grape, purple grape.
I think it's blue.
Grape, can we look? Sorry. I smelled it because this one and the green one, it has different, like, smell.
Yeah.
Here you go, now my turn
And
to
to
open
the
it.
next one.
God, this is tricky. So, okay, I'm able to try to open it. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh,
I think it's a blue.
um,
Blue.
I I think it's the blue, yeah. Cause, can you look, Mom?
Yes.
Oh, I was right. Yeah. Well, you were right.
Well, we were both right.
Yeah.
Okay, on to with the.
It's a my turn.
Where's the other one? It's my
It's
turn
a my
to
turn to
open
open
it.
it. Who opened it this time? Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Okay. That's what just to tell you, we're having turns to open the slimes.
Yeah.
Usually I never let her play with my slimes, so this is like a chance for her.
So. Right.
Come on, your turn. Oh wait.
I know which one this is.
Yep, we all know.
Orange.
Orange, because this one's the last one.
No, it's not the last one.
It's
but
the last one with the round
with
package.
yeah. And it has a lot in it. It has a lot of slime.
Yeah.
So and like it has the same texture
As to the
all the
of
blue one, the
ones
purple
and the-
one,
Yeah,
the green
the
one.
ones that are like this.
Yeah, they came in a panda container.
Can you look?
Correct.
Here it is. It's really
It
metallic.
looks like kind of gold.
Yeah, like it's like a gold orange kind of. Hi, sorry, guys. When we have our I don't know, Sadi come in. He's gonna come in. Yeah, he does want to. So we're gonna poke it. Okay, here you go. It's my turn to open.
Yeah.
How much slimes is there? There's
Oh,
one,
wait,
two,
there's
three,
still
four.
like three
There's
more
five.
in the panda pack.
Yep. Come on.
Okay, go.
My turn.
Is it a panda one?
I think yeah, it is. I'm scared. From now on, I'm gonna smell all of the slimes. Okay, green.
Green.
This smells like green apple.
Yeah, it does. It smells like the sour.
Tony, open him and
Oh, yeah,
close
we're
your
right.
eyes.
We're right.
This one's really metallic and like light.
Clear.
Yeah.
Like clear. Look.
Almost every single panda one is clear. Two more panda ones. Guys, just to tell you, we have two types of pink. One is light, one is dark. One is more like different texture.
One is like hot pink.
So, your turn to open it. There you go. We have done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 slimes. I'm scared. There they are, and there's one over there. Excited to bring it in.
And then we've already like done a green
Come on,
one.
wait.
You got.
Come on, it's time for you to open it.
Okay, it's definitely panda.
What's this?
I
This
think
is
it's light
dark
pink.
dark
Light
pink,
pink.
dark pink,
Light pink.
dark pink.
Open your eyes.
I told you it's
I
dark pink.
told you. Oh.
It's dark pink
Okay.
because the dark pink is more
Look.
like
Look at the difference.
dark pink is
Not
more.
much difference.
When you squeeze the dark, everybody, when you squeeze the dark one, it's kind of like breaks through your hands. And yeah, that's just fun fact, guys. And fun fact, slime gives you stress relief. So, everybody, tell your mom to buy slimes
That's another good way
to
convince your,
your
mum
mom
to
to
get
get
your
your
slime.
slime. Now, 3 more. Cause it's watching to open it.
Yeah.
Oh, this is easy. You hate this one.
No!
Jiggly.
It's the yellow jiggly
Slime, which is fart
I
potty.
hate this one. I really hate this one because it's not stretchy. It's not really good at anything. It's so
But
annoying.
it is. Hey, give it. Guys, see this. Ready?
But I hate it. That's the only reason it's good for.
For farts. For like noises and stuff. Here, it's noise potty. I got this from a machine.
right.
Ready?
My turn to open. Okay, this
Oh, it's
is
a
a
panda.
panda.
Come on. Oh, it might be a bee or anything.
Okay, this is hard to open.
Especially with
Finally. I think this is.
Ava,
Yeah. I think this is
Light
the light pink.
yeah, because it's very soft.
And
Here it
like
is.
it feels.
It's
And
really
I
metallic.
think that the only one left of panda ones are the light pink. Let me
Yeah,
open. We're correct.
correct. Because this one is more like a rosy one. Here's the differences. This one's more dark. This one's more rosy, and this one's not closed. Oh my god, this
Wait,
is hard.
there's more.
Anna.
Oh wait, you opened the dark pink. I thought this was gonna be with that. Okay. On to
So
the next one. I think it's the last one.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. But we're gonna find
I'm
out.
so excited.
To get this one.
Here we go.
Guys.
Go.
My turn.
Wait. Yeah. No, it's time.
Oh, this is easy. Oh, that's a sticky. Is that sticky?
excuse me.
You know, no, this is gonna be sticky. No, it's sticky. I think give it to us.
Oh my gosh, it is sticky.
I think it's
the
purple one.
small purple
Yeah,
one.
this glittery
The
one.
small
Here it is.
purple
Put open our eyes.
googly eye packet one.
Look at it. It's so sticky.
I'm gonna open
Look
my
at
eyes.
it.
Yeah.
She loves sticky ones. Why?
Yeah.
Look, oh my god. Project
It's
touch
stuck
it.
to me.
Be patient, Marion. Be patient.
So
That was the experience.
we want to know how many slimes do you own, or
like
have
how
you
much
done any slime
challenges, or have you make any
Yeah.
slime,
or do you know how to make slime?
or anything like that? Now,
Yeah. Or do you
Now,
have
if-
a bad experience with slime?
Now, if you didn't watch our other one, she wasn't in because she's new to this. If you haven't watched our slime package one, so go check it out. So yeah, so see you next time. Goodbye.